Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the phone and cable so transfers work predictably. First, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. This avoids permission prompts and speeds pairing. Next, plug a known data-capable USB-C cable into the laptop and phone. Not all cables carry data. Once connected, drag down Quick Settings and set USB mode to File Transfer, MTP, or, if you need internet, USB tethering. These steps unlock direct access and explain why secure debugging matters for reliable connections. Once the phone is in the correct USB mode, make the laptop recognize it. You need drivers on Windows. Open Device Manager and look for MTP or portable device entries. Update with OEM or Google drivers if the phone shows as unknown. On Mac OS, install Android File Transfer so Finder can read the device. On Linux, install MTPFS or libmit and add a UDEV rule if necessary. After drivers are installed, reconnect the cable. The system detects storage and grants file-level access. Finish by performing the transfer and verifying connectivity. You can drag and drop files in your file browser or use an app like a DB for advanced transfers. Remember to safely eject the device before unplugging to prevent corruption. If using internet sharing, enable USB tethering on the phone and confirm a new network interface on the laptop. If something goes wrong, toggle USB debugging, switch USB mode, try another cable or port, and reboot both devices. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.